many African Americans didn't favor what he was doing because he was too accommodating to white interests. Okay, and also many northern African Americans also believe that they're being led by a southern authoritarian. And many of those northern and southern African Americans, they also favored Du Bois' philosophy and theories because they actually wanted voting rights and civic equality rather than assimilate into segregation and separation of powers.
I'm not really ready to debate, so I thought I'd rap. Rap. Okay. Call this Booker T versus W.E.B. Dr. Booker T, straight out of slavery, found in Tuskegee University to preach his philosophy. Keep the blacks over here and the whites over there. We will achieve appreciation, time, and education. Leave the plantation, seek salvation in my foundation. So if you are oppressed, don't get depressed. Accept your place in society and conceal your anxiety. We don't want a revolution, I got the solution. Don't start right, shut your face and get quiet. Quality is what I stand for. Booker T out, always keep it hardcore. It is apparent his beliefs were out of whack and we faced the negative feedback. The Negro community wanted equal opportunity. W.E.B. Du Bois ready to deplore his criticism on the keen of conservatism. He believed in affirmative action to achieve civil satisfaction. So as you can see, it was W.E.B. who should have been spokesperson as the civil rights began to worsen. He argued that everyone was equal, so we should be able to mingle. Shouldn't be separated by society, but the South needed was variety. This was quite the contradiction to Booker T's depiction of racial friction. He failed his misery and his vocation. Slam straight in Booker T's face. He was a disgrace to his own race. So talk that, pretty girls, I doubt you'll be able to hurl mad rhymes like these. Maybe over here.
Hey Jordan, I really think that was so good. I would like, can I get a typed copy of that?
I got 3 copies for you.
Because I had to come back next year and do that. Oh, wow. Did you do that? That was really cool.
Yeah.